Gift Hunter Club has paid out more than $415,000 to its members, but is it really worth it? That's what we will talk about in this video. My name is Michael and I've tested hundreds of different ways to make money online, and many viewers have asked me for an updated Gift Hunter Club review, so therefore I decided to record this video where I'll show you exactly how it works. I'll show you the pros and the cons. I will also show you payment proof, and then you can decide for yourself whether this is the right opportunity for you or not. So let's start by going over who can join, and Gift Hunter Club is a get paid to site that is free to join, and you should be able to join from more or less all countries. It has a website. It also does have an app for Android devices, so you can use it on your phone, but you can also use it on iOS devices just from the browser. But from what I've been able to find out, and I've heard feedback for many years, it's many years ago I tested the first time there, then it has the most opportunities in Latin America and Spanish speaking countries, but overall it does also have for English speaking countries, and in general you can earn from most countries. But how good the opportunities are, we will of course talk about later. As you can see on the website, they say here they paid out more than $415,000 there to its members, and I've been paid by it many times myself. I will also show you that. I will draw here so you can see for yourself then the overall earning potential, whether it's worth it or not, and all that. We will also talk about that. But let me now log in and then start by showing you how you can earn. So I have now logged into Gift Hunter Club, and the dashboard here is, a little bit empty and a little bit confusing. There's nothing really here, and then there's a new section, and this is one of the things that I don't really like about Gift Hunter Club, that it's very outdated like that. Like with the new section, the service and earning opportunities, so that they're still there, but like the new section is like many years since they used that. So in my opinion, it's just good practice to them just don't have latest news that are then many years old. That just doesn't make sense, but that's just my opinion. But anyways, if we focus on the earning methods, they have offer walls, and they have quite a lot they have partnered with. And if you get paid to sites before, you'll also know that each of them have many different ways to earn. For example, like surveys, watching videos, downloading games, all kind of things. So what you need to do is that you will need to come find an offer. You can see exactly how much you will earn in cents, so I do like that they show that here. And then you need to read the exact conditions and then complete it. Some of the offers here gives decent rewards. You just always need to choose wisely. I would say compared to many other get paid to sites, it's definitely not one of the highest paying ones, but it's kind of average. So offer was definitely one of the places here where you can find the most ways to earn. So you can also find surveys on Gift Hunter Club. You can find surveys on the offer wall, some of them here, but they also have a service section, as you can see. But right now I don't have any, and for me on a get paid to site, that's quite unusual. With my location and everything, I usually have quite a few, so that's just something to consider. They also do have these daily surveys, so you can find more here also. And here they have both like routers and surveys, so you can find more here, see what you'll get paid. Again, I would say they are kind of average, some of them a little bit below average, but you can find a decent number here, just not as many as on many other get paid to sites. Gift Hunter Club also has some bonuses, so you can see there's some weekly bonuses there. If you earn, as you can see, at least 1 point each day of the week, then you will receive 10 extra points. There's some other bonuses there, daily bonus 10% here, you see, but then it's in Spanish, so that's also what I mean. Like it's kind of like, it seems like it is aimed towards the Spanish audience because certain things are only written in Spanish there. But whether it's then worth it or not, no, it's not a big bonus. Let me just reveal that right away. But we can go into more about like, of course, like 10 cents, that's not a lot. Daily bonus 10%, yeah, but that depends on the overall earning potential. So we'll talk about that a little bit later. First, let me now then show you how you can actually get paid, so you can see that also, because that's also always an important thing to consider. When it comes to withdrawing, you have two options, at least at the time recording this video, but it's been like that for years, so I doubt they will update it just right now, but you never know, right? But that's how it is as recording this video here. You can do these raffles here, or you can just go to the shop. The shop is actually where you can get paid, like in gift cards and cash. But first, I just want to mention something about these raffles here, because as you can see here, it says like we have no raffles available, so that's where you could actually participate in raffles and potentially win gift cards. But that's not something I would recommend spending your earnings on anyways. But also, as you can see, the end date for the last one also is at the same time where the last was updated with the news, so it's like many years ago actually at the time recording this video here. So again, it's like just keep it a little bit optimized. I would like that. So if you don't have any raffles for like 4 years or more, just 5 years, so like just get rid of it. That's just good common sense to do that. So that's a little bit confusing, something I don't like overall. But let's jump to the shop section there. The exact gift cards, the exact rewards, all that can vary and will vary depending on your country. In some countries you'll probably have other gift cards options, but you see here from 1,000 cents there, so $10 you would need to earn to get an Amazon gift card here, PayPal here. So I would choose PayPal here, but what you can see here is that if you choose to cash out already at $5, which is a fairly low payout threshold, but then you actually pay a fee of 30 cents. But if you, for example, choose $10, then you can see you will get the full $10. So it gives better value for your earnings here if you wait until you have earned 10. But this is also a little bit strange, but you can just only choose 10, but as you can see here in my earnings here, I actually have like 60 here, but I can't choose that. But you can, I would just then need to choose here like this quantity here. So then I would need to choose for example 6 of them, so then it would be a total of 6,000 points, and then I would get 6 times $10. Instead, like this, it will be processed. So then I would just need to click here to confirm, and it just asks you again, are you sure? And I do like that, you know, they just make sure to ask you that it was not an accident you click. So then I just need to click here, yes, redeem it. And then here you see, then it is just pending. So now I just have to wait to get it. Again, you see something just written in Spanish here. So yeah, that's just how it is. There are many things about the usability that could definitely be improved, but that is how it is. Then I just need to wait here, and I will leave a screenshot here on the screen when the email comes from PayPal, so you can see the money go into my account there. I will also there write exactly how long it took. But let's now talk about the overall earning potential of Gift Hunter Club. So as you can see, Gift Hunter Club actually does pay. You can also see on the website, they paid out quite a lot over the years, but not as much as many other Get Paid To sites when you consider how many years it has existed. I have been a member for many years, like more than 5 years, probably, maybe even more. I haven't really used it much because there are these things where I find it's just not completely updated. You know, there's some things that are only in one language, some things that, you know, like are many years old. The news section, the raffle section is not updated. These things like this just means it's a platform that I'm not completely crazy about. It's a decent platform, I would say, but there just are better opportunities. And how much can you then overall earn? Well, you know, many people will ask you, how long did it take you to earn the money you just cashed out? I honestly don't know, because I have not used it a lot. I have just once in a while, just to keep testing it, seeing if there has been any updates. And then I have also, you know, invited some people, so some people have joined through my invitation link. You can also earn by doing that, and then I earn a little bit by that. But it's been like many months since I last cashed out, so it has taken me quite a long time, because it's not one of the platforms I use the most. I would say in some countries, yes, $5 a day, you know, it's possible. Some days, if you take some of the higher paying offers, $10 plus, also possible. In other countries, it will be hard to earn like $1 or $2 a day. But overall, no matter the country you live in, I would say there are just Get Paid To sites that are more effective and more user-friendly, in my personal opinion and experience. And I will also leave a link below to a list I have on my website of my top recommended Get Paid To sites. Also, if you decide to join Gift Hunter Club, I will also leave a link below to a full written tutorial I have on my website. At the top there, you can find a joining link and easily get started. If you join through my invitation link, it will also support my channel, and I would definitely appreciate that support. But no matter what, I hope this video helped you, and if it did, make sure to hit the like button, and don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and hit the notification bell so you won't miss out next time I release a video with tips and tricks about different ways to make money online.